day number
7.
And if you didn't watch our previous video, at day 1, we opened Lego, Pokemon, and Playmobil. Well, this was
For Hunt.
here. Hold on, here.
It says.
It was my brother's day, but he's busy playing.
It says your hamster.
Let's open it. You can open it.
Alright.
Playmobil.
Oh yeah. Oh, bad guy. Oh my God,
Here's-
bad guy.
It's a police Playmobil.
Oh, a
and
bad
the
guy's
bad guy.
carrying money in his bag. Yeah, it's a backpack.
Let's open
It's
it.
a burglar.
Burglar. Or a thief.
A thief or a burglar or a bad guy?
Hey! So here it is.
Check these out.
Here's the
Oh
police.
no, the bag.
Here's the burglar.
Here's the bad boy.
And
Daddy, look at this. I got a more bigger
and
set
there's
than
a
this.
Playmobil. Mom.
I want a more bigger set than this. Yeah.
That's it.
Hey. The police has a gun. The police has a gun.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna give you the score for free. And goodbye, guys. Hold on. Goodbye, guys. Hey, my face. Goodbye, guys. This is the end. Watch tomorrow for day number 8. Bye.